this episode of Bobscaping, we're looking at our new Toro weed trimmer, grass trimmer, whatever you want to call it, weed whacker. It has multiple names. It's another one of the Toro Flex Force series. And since I already had the batteries, I bought the tool only. And there are some specifications in various languages. I guess that side's English. The other side's in Spanish. And we're going to give that a try. I've put the smaller Flex Force battery in it. That's the one that originally came with the, I think it was this power snow shovel. And then we also have a bigger one that's used in the snow thrower and lawnmower. So let's put on the GoPro with the hard hat and give them a try. So I see the tool comes with its own line on it. They do specify that you can use 80 or 95 trimmer string. I've been using 95. It's a double feed, sort of a bump head on this. So, and it's got 2 speeds. It's got a first and second that you can change the speed with. So we'll keep it on, I think one's the fastest right now. Got some good pep to it. Okay, now we'll go down to the second speed. Oh, actually this is a higher speed, huh? Okay. Weed whackers of all kinds always want to bite into the grass if you get too low. Okay, so as we can see, it has some good power to it. The line wasn't, I guess it was extended almost all the way. There is a cutter on here for once you bump it, it trims that line to length. So yeah, seems pretty impressive. And we'll give her more tries in the future. For this episode of Bobscaping, this is Bob.